Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm making me some grilled chicken for my salad, you guys. And this is seasoning. As you can see, there's no salt. No salt. I haven't been eating right, so I gotta get that back in order. Eating a lot of junk. So, okay. So I done seasoned one side and I'm about to season the other. Just add a little Italian seasoning. Just a little bit. So I'm going to take it and flip it over. Okay. Onion powder. Little black pepper. Little of this. No salt. So y'all start talking, there's no sodium in here. No sodium. Okay, my skillet should be all ready. I'm going to cut it down because I don't want to get splattered. And I'm going to lay my chicken breast in here. Okay, guys, so I will be back. Hold on. Okay, here's my chicken breast, you guys. It's almost done. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to slice it up and put it back in the skillet with my bell peppers I'm chopping up. So hold on. Okay, you guys, my chicken salad is all done. Spicy grilled cheese. Spicy chicken salad. I got onions in there, cheese. That's what I got. And this the ranch. But I'm about to eat a pickle right now, you guys. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will be back later with another video. Bye-bye for now.